this is my older brother's new car, Commodore V6. Hold it, yay! Seats are very comfortable. I'm going to show you the front. Very nice. Awesome. Bye.